If you're on semaglutide or Tirzepatide and only focusing on scale, you are doing it wrong. What if I told you that just losing weight could actually make you metabolically worse, not better? That's right. When you drop weight too fast without protecting your muscle, your metabolism crashes. You lose strength, energy, confidence, and eventually the weight comes back with more fat and less muscle. Today I'm going to show you how to combine GLP-1 medication with powerful body composition tools like testosterone replacement therapy, HGH peptide, and targeted supplements so you burn fat and build muscle at the same time. This is the real fix for long-term health, performance, and confidence. So let's go. Most people celebrate when the number on the scale goes down, but they are not asking what they lost. On GLP-1 meds like semaglutide or Tirzepatide, your appetite drops, you eat less, you lose weight. But guess what? Up to 40% of that weight loss is muscle. That's dangerous. Muscle is what keeps your metabolism high, your bones strong, and your body energized. Without muscle, your metabolism slows down. You plateau faster, you feel weaker, you age faster. This is why so many people says that they felt great at first on GLP-1 medications, but now feel tired, soft, and stuck. So why body composition matters? Here is the truth. Weight loss and fat loss are not the same thing. Your goal shouldn't be just to be lighter. It should be to leaner, stronger, and healthier. That's called improving your body composition, which means less fat, more muscle, high energy, better performance, and long-term sustainability. Muscle is like an anti-aging organ. It burns calories, it protects your joint, it even helps regulate blood sugar. So we need a strategy to preserve or build more muscle while we lose fat. So how GLP medication actually work? Quick refresher. GLP-1s like semaglutide, which is Ozempic or Wegovy, or Tirzepatide, which is Mounjaro or Zepbound, works by mimicking your body's natural hormone. They delay your stomach emptying, reduces appetite, improves insulin sensitivity, and helps you eat less. They are an amazing tool, but not a complete solution. You are reducing food, but what about nutrients? What about muscle maintenance? What about performance? This is where combination treatment becomes critical. So let's talk about the first combination treatment with GLP-1 medication, which is testosterone replacement therapy for men and women. Low testosterone equals low muscle, low energy, low sex drive, and overall feeling low. When you are eating less on GLP-1s, your hormone can crash even more. That's why we often combine GLP-1 treatment with testosterone replacement therapy. Testosterone replacement therapy combination helps you preserve lean muscle, boost energy and mood, improves your sex drive, protect bone health, and keeps metabolism firing. We monitor testosterone level and personalize the dosage, because when your hormones are dialed in, you lose fat and protect your muscle. So now enter the peptide combination like CJC 1295, ipamorelin, tesamorelin, samorelin. This stimulates your natural growth hormone release, helping with fat burning, especially the belly fat with tesamorelin, better sleep and recovery with ipamorelin and samorelin, skin, joint, and hair improvement. We also use peptide like BPC 157, TB 500 for injury, healing, muscle recovery. Together with GLP-1 medication, peptides create a powerful synergy to rebuild your body as you lose weight. You are eating less, but are you getting enough protein, electrolyte, micronutrients? We add supports like L-carnitine for fat metabolism and energy, NAD plus injection for mitochondrial support, memory and focus, magnesium, B12, vitamin D for hormone and nervous system balance, high protein supplements or IVs, and of course we use Max Essential, our all-in-one vitamin designed to support energy, performance and recovery while you lose weight. You can't build a house without material. Supplements are your raw material when food is low. And here is how we build a real transformation plan. Start with GLP-1 medication like semaglutide or Tirzepatide to curb your appetite and stabilize your insulin and improves your blood glucose. Next, optimize testosterone or other hormones to preserve muscle, to improve your energy, to improve your sex drive. Add peptides for growth hormone recovery and belly fat. Support with nutrients like Max Essential, NAD, B12, L-carnitine. Exercise and resistance training. This is mandatory. Muscles won't build itself. Track your body composition, not just weight, in body scan or DEXA scan. Make sure you take your pictures. We monitor labs, track progresses, and adjust based on how you feel and perform. GLP-1 medications are powerful, but they are just a tool. Don't settle for weight loss that leaves you tired, weak, soft, and lose fat. Build muscle, optimize hormone, recover faster. Feel unstoppable. This is about more than just the scale. This is about confidence, vitality, long-term health. If you are doing just GLP-1s, do it the right way. MyFitMed can help. Let me know if this video helps, and let me know what other topics you want to cover in my next videos.